Hello there, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 1000 liters model kneader mixer for Colombian client. As client requirement, we didn't equip the driving motor for it because the client have it. Once arrived, the motor will be equipped by client themselves. And this is a supporting frame, mixing chamber, reducer. This is electricity cabinet. Okay, this is a right view of the mixer, and the back view, lid, and this is a driving hydraulic driving station for lid open close, cylinder tightening and return. This is a left view, double sigma blades shafts. Okay, the mixer equipped with a jacket for steam heating. Okay, now the electricity power has been connected. Now I will make a test for the hydraulic station driving function for lid open close and cylinder tightening and return. First, release the emergency stop button here. Okay, now open the lid. Here the lid is opening by the hydraulic driving station. Okay, and also we can make the cylinder tightening. This is for the material discharging when mixing process finished. Okay, let's test. Cylinder tightening. Now the cylinder is tightening slowly. Later, we can see inside the structure of the chamber. It is tightening slowly. For the hydraulic station, the lid open and close speed. Also, the cylinder tightening and the return speed can be adjusted via the hydraulic station. Okay, this is double sigma blades. Both blades and inner surface have been made mirror polished. Okay. Material will be mixed here and discharged in this way. For the double sigma blades, it has forward and reverse mixing direction. Okay, now we make them return. First, cylinder returning. Cylinder return. It is return slowly. However, the speed can be adjusted via hydraulic station. Slower, safer. Right? Okay, now it has reached the position. Now we close the lid. Here. You can see the lid is closing. Also, as we can see, there is there are two side windows and one equipped with light power for the observation of the mixing process. Okay, this is 1000 liters kneader mixer. Any interesting, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. Thanks for watching.